In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to download, install WeChat on your Windows PC or Mac. Step by step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video step by step and you are going to be fine. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure link on 1688 Tauba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WeChat topic. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to download, install and use WeChat on your PC using Windows or Mac. Step by step tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your browser right here. So I'm going to type in www.wechat.com and I hit on enter. Next thing you want to do, you can see these are all options by which you can use WeChat. So Apple Store, Android and Mac Apple Store. Then for Windows, you have to click on get it from Microsoft right here. Then you can scroll down and you see the available version of this WeChat on PC. Alright, so right here you can see the version right here. The version is 3.96 and is available on PC by 86 by 64 bits. Then it has to be Windows 10 version. Okay, so for you to get a app, what you need to do is to click on the top right here, click on Get Install App. Then click on Always and open Software Store. Then click on Install. So right here you can see the app has installed successful on our PC. So after a successful installation, you're going to see the app icon on your PC right here. So for you to run the setup, what you need to do is to click on the shortcut and then press enter key on your PC. It's going to load up the interface. Alright, so for you to log in, so you can see it right here. So for you to log in, what you need to do is to just scan the QR code right here, which I'm going to do right away. So I'm going to scan from my phone right here, login. So you can see it's preparing to log in and you can see it right here. Alright, so I'm going to minimize this window right here. So I'm going to maximize this. So you can see I have successfully logged in my WeChat account on PC. So these are my accounts right here. So you can navigate and see all the information you have right here on PC. So this is how you can download, install and use WeChat on PC. Whether you are using Windows or you are using Mac, this is the right step you need to follow. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe for more tutorial about WeChat topic. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, you want me to procure link on 1688 Tauba on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.